Make us come! We're about to get on a boat to do a river cruise on the Seine River in Paris. We're gonna go by the Eiffel Tower. We're gonna have dinner. We're gonna go by a few other places. Notre Dame.
Super excited. Our first date night in Paris. It's been so beautiful. The food is so good.
It's way good. You kids have been so good here, haven't they?
Yeah.
I'll show you around. Ciao, ciao.
Look at our cute little table. Paris is the prettiest city I've ever seen. Everything is so beautiful. And in a totally different way, like totally city beautiful, right? Like, it's not like natural beauty, it's like all man-made gorgeousness. How was the Eiffel Tower for the first time?
Oh, it's beautiful. And it's fun to see it from the river.
So fun to do the dinner cruise.
It was good. It was awesome to be out. It was beautiful. She's gorgeous.
It is so pretty, and when the lights went up, I was like, oh my gosh. It was a pretty good cruise. Customer service was okay, and the dinner was pretty good.
Yeah, dinner was pretty good.
Would you recommend the dinner cruise? Doing a dinner cruise?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I would. It was beautiful. It's like a chook-chook taxi contraption. And I'm not sure if we're the only ones, but every time I hear the police here in Europe, all I think of is Jason Bourne. I'm like, where is he? Where's Jason? Jason's running around.
Seriously.
Because Chris is Jason Bourne.
That's right. I am Jason Bourne.
Tell him about your name thing.
No, we're not. Not talking about that. I just have a few extra middle names.
Come on, what are they?
It's Jason, Potter,
James
Bond. Yeah, Jason, James, Harry, Potter, Bond. Jason, James, Dumbledore.
What about Mission Impossible?
Ethan. Dun 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 dun. Kids in bed. Hopefully, we're in Paris on our own. That's it. That's all you get. Let's turn it off now before I start singing again.
That's what I'm hoping for. We're celebrating right now our business 10-year anniversary.
That's right. This very minute. This very minute. 10 years.
10 years ago, we filed the documentation to become a business. It was 2 days before Lucy's birthday, and Chris was in Utah, and I was like, get your butt back here for your daughter's birthday now. She was only 1 year old.
It was our first
But she was turning 2. Because she's going to be 12 in 2 days. And we are going to a really fun restaurant.
The term really fun restaurant is subjective to what you like and experiences. The entire meal is in the dark. Pitch black
Blind darkness. They have waiters, but you feed yourself. And it's supposed to enhance the sensory experience of everything else.
I have to tell you guys, I have so many food issues, I think I may leave crying.
It's supposed to be really good.
I don't know. Kids, what do you think? Looking at this years later, would you have gone?
The waiters are like totally blind serving, like they just know where to go. And it does say you will sit at a table with other people too, so you may snuggle a stranger, I guess.
Ooh. telling you this, I think the waiters should have night vision goggles.
That would be awesome.
hilarious.
Watching us like stuff food on our cheek.
That's right.
Anyway, we're come up here to see the Sacre Coeur, and we just saw something I had heard of. They put gelato in macarons, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get one on the way back down.
Yep.
Check it out.
One of these things is not like the other.
Well, hello, Lincoln.
Guys, I've aged quite rapidly.
It's like Benjamin Button.
When I left, I looked like this. This is how traveling ages you.
Look at sweet little Lincoln.
That's right. So using our train passes, we were actually able to get on the
Funicular. Funiculare. I'm sure it's some kind of French pronunciation over there.
Yeah, that thing.
Up to
Sacre Coeur.
Oh, look at this view, honey. Wow.
What you doing, babe?
Getting a lock being sold by a vendor. Chris is rolling his eyes, but
I'm like, what?
look at our cute little love lock.
Ooh, what's it say? What's it say?
Chris and Leslie. And then look, we'll put She Love Paris. 7 wayfinders. 7 wayfinders in Paris.
Right. Now, what he doesn't tell you is that he has the master key.
He just comes and takes it off.
So he's giving us more of like a rental fee. There we go.
All right.
We are forever.
We are forever
4
at
months in Sacre Coeur.
the Sacre Coeur. Okay, we made it. We made it. I'll show you how it is on the other side, because obviously I can't show you the camera. Look who else is eating here. Katy Perry. How was it?
It was delicious. It was great. It was scary. It was overwhelming. The food is like hard to get over the textures. I have texture issues, but it was delicious. This is what we actually ate in the dark. Turnip, glazed with maple syrup, stuffed with egg brulee, and roasted hazelnuts and brie noir.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
That's
Okay. Potato.
Poached mussel.
Oh, poached mussel.
I had a hard time with the texture on this one.
Oh, that's right. This was like the soup one.
That's right. That's right.
Oh, burrata toasts.
And crunchy radishes.
I remember the radish. It was very, very
Burrata
crunchy.
toast. Yes.
Okay.
Next one.
Chicken. There's the chicken.
That's right.
Stuffed with jumbo shrimp. I didn't get that. Wow.
Oh, I could taste the shrimp, but I was like, this is chicken. Why is there chicken and shrimp?
I
didn't
got
get
the
it.
mushroom, pine nuts, we got that. Oh, and look, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg. I remember the nutmeg. Look, honey. The nutmeg was jumping out at me like
Oh,
fireworks.
it totally was. And then,
Okay. Oh, a trio of cheese.
Faisal Camembert.
Sprouts. I remember the sprouts. I was like, I feel like I'm eating flowers. Oh, and there's our dessert. Oh, it's apple. Interesting. I thought it was...
It
thought it was
tastes different
apricot.
in the dark.
It really does. It tastes really different. Pistachios and pumpkin whipped cream. Oh, and here's our cocktails. Okay, so we got this one. Chris survived.
We did.
You made
Chris
it
survived.
through.
You survived too.
I loved it.
I'm still breathing. I'm still like mega tense. I'm serious. I've got like this raw pit in my stomach.
I thought it was fun.
It was way fun.
Man,
sometimes
a different
people would
experience.
spill and you'd hear the girls scream.
And you
You'd get crash, and everyone would laugh and laugh. It was really fun. The waiters were amazing.
The food tasted totally different. Like it was a pretty shocking surprise to find out what we ate.
And find out how much we can't taste the difference between things.
Yes.
We're like, that's totally peach. You get out, it's apple.
Yes.
What?
I was like, what is this? So much visual in what you eat. I loved it though. Highly, highly recommend. I would come back. And just such an interesting experience.
And they're in more than just Paris, right? They're in a few other places.
They're in Barcelona and 2 in Paris. I think there was 2 in London. I think there was 5 total. So
it was cool because we could talk like the whole time in English and everyone else was in French. It was like we were by ourselves. And we may or may not have made out a little. Just
as long as you're quiet,
in the dark.
No one knows.
Nobody knows.
You do get touched a lot. Like your waiters like touch you all over. They're like, madam, and they get bumped into a few times, but I'm way impressed that they can serve.
Oh, it's like shocking.
Yes.
How well
and
they
we
can
think
do.
that some of them are probably legitimately blind.
Yeah, like one of them actually is blind in one eye, and there's other things. So it's kind of interesting.
It's really fascinating. What a job market, right? Because they would be so much better at it anyway.
Yeah, naturally trained.
Well, another fun date night in Paris.
Well, and on our 10-year anniversary.
Our 10-year business anniversary. We talked a lot of business.
That's right. We were just remarking about how when we started our business, it was like we had the same level of vision as we had in there. It's pitch black.
How far we've come.
We had no idea.
All the fun memories we've had since then. So.
Here's to another 10 years, baby.
That's right. 30 more years of our business. And traveling. How about that?
Yeah, I'm down with that.
If we just smile,